Alhamdulillah, for this milestone that we have just achieved, we've crossed the 100,000 subscriber mark, and YouTube has graciously sent us the plaque for crossing the 100,000 subscribers. This is an appreciation for those that have subscribed to the channel and those that are even watching without subscribing. We say thank you to everyone that has been with us on this journey. This is really for you. So this is for everyone that has been with us on this journey, especially the International Center for Islamic Culture and Education, ICIC and Northmorks. That's where a lot of our content happened. And then all the staffs of iMedia from the time we started and up to where we are today, we've had tons and tons of people contributing to where we are today. And this is also especially thanking our resource persons from Professor Isa Ali Pantami to Dr. Abdul Fattah Adeyemi, to Ustaz Nuruddin Abdul Malik, to Ustaz Architect Pen Abdul. All these are the resource people that this award is actually meant for. They are the people that people came to listen to on our channel. Alhamdulillah for everything and everyone that we worked together to get to this point. We'll see you at the 1 million subscriber mark. Thank you. Jazakumullahu khairan.